Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXXA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very crazy movement, especially this afternoon. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So really up until the final hour and a half, it was a nice little steady upwards move, and then the final hour and a half of the day happened. Volume came pouring in, and the price pulled back quite a bit. So definitely some new updates here need to be made. The first level to keep an eye on, and this by no means is some sort of great discovery on my part, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching the same level, and that is right here at the pink line, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200 period simple moving average. I bring up that this is not a great discovery on my part because when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. The point being that there can be some pretty dynamic, if you will, price movements. And again, like I said, very famous level, not a great discovery. A lot of people are going to be watching and wondering, what is the price going to do down around that pink line? Is the price going to be able to, stabilize and get a bounce from it, or what exactly is going to occur? So from the technical chart perspective, that's definitely a very important level that's going to looking like come into play tomorrow. And then it's just a matter of seeing if the price can stay up above it. In the event the price does not, I do want to get a level of support mapped out. So key level of support, if you didn't connect those dots, definitely right there at that pink line. But like I said, if the price does not hold above it, the next key level of support to keep an eye on down around 0.013. In the event the price does start to, jump back upwards and turn around, the key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average, keyword being moving. So that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant, as Wednesday plays out. But really, as far as I'm concerned, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is more so, trying to stabilize and chip away and build some sort of base here. So we'll see if the bulls can build that base up above the pink line or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.